When your vehicle's window starts malfunctioning or becomes difficult to operate, the issue often lies with the window regulator clips. If you're looking for a dependable replacement for your window regulator clips, these high-quality clips are designed to restore your window's functionality, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including the 1989 GMC S15, these clips are an excellent solution for anyone looking to get their window working like new again. Manufactured to fit tightly on your window, these clips provide a secure and snug fit, ensuring that your window operates smoothly after installation. While they may require some force to snap together, they are designed to be durable and long-lasting once properly installed. One customer shared their experience of installing these clips on their 1989 GMC S15. Despite the clips being difficult to snap together at first, they were able to get them in place with some effort, and their window worked like new afterward. They also noted that each window on their truck required 2 clips for the standard cab configuration, making it easy to restore both windows to full functionality. These window regulator clips are designed to offer a perfect replacement for your original components. Whether you're replacing worn-out or broken clips or upgrading to new ones, you can trust that these clips will restore your window's functionality and make it operate just like it did when it was new. Manufactured with quality in mind, these clips are built to last and offer excellent performance for years. If you're looking for a reliable and durable replacement for your vehicle's window regulator clips, this is the perfect product for you. Click the link in the description to purchase your set of clips today and enjoy smooth, hassle-free window operation once again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product recommendations and automotive tips.